Hi, this is meteorologist Heath Pelletier, and I am the Weatherman. Thanks for checking into the weathermanpod.com on your Thursday, 21st day of November 2024. Lots of weather news across the nation. In the midsection, it's dry from the Dakotas southward to Texas to the Four Corners and to Southern California. Also looking at dry conditions in the southeastern states all the way down to Florida and across the Gulf Coast. It's in the northeast where developing low pressures bringing some much-needed rainfall and even some snow across sections of the Pennsylvania, New Jersey, New York, central and southern New England. Mostly rain there, but in the Finger Lakes area, the mountains, central and northern Pennsylvania, western New York State, there'll be some significant snowfall as a low-pressure system brings strong north winds and cold air down from Canada. And that snow is also going to be across Ohio and sections of the southern portion of Michigan. UP, at this point, probably because of a more persistent east wind and more rainy weather, but it looks like very severe conditions around the Chicago area. So if you're flying today, it's going to be tough in and out of the New York, Newark, Philadelphia, and also Baltimore area up in Boston, too, all IFR, and some strong weather, too. So there's going to be delays. Expect delays in and out of the New York and Philly metro areas. Down in D.C., not as bad. It's going to be okay into Charlotte and into Atlanta. Good weather in Texas, as mentioned. Chicago is going to have some delays into there because of another low-pressure system that's actually part of that whole system in the east, and it's causing some locally severe weather and some strong winds. And a lot of turbulence in the lower level below 12,000 feet, so that's usually on approach and on takeoff. Out on the west coast, those series of low pressures continue to move in from the Pacific Northwest. It's going to continue with lots of rain and snow. Rain along the coast and snow in the mountains in mostly central and northern portions of Idaho, eastern Washington and Oregon, and northwestern portions of Montana with tremendous amount of snowfall in some of those higher elevations, but a lot of rain along the coast and strong winds, too, causing beach erosion and also some flooding as well. Southern California is looking pretty good, though. Weather forecast for the northeast corridor, rainy weather for today, between maybe a quarter to three-quarters of an inch of rainfall on average. Some places will get over an inch of rain, much-needed rainfall. We had actually rain during the overnight hours, too. And temperatures for the day near 50. It's tonight there's going to be some rain and snow showers. New York City may even have some wet snow mixed in there at times in the morning hours on Friday. But then as the weekend continues, high pressure builds in. The low pressures move away from us, and we'll get into some drier weather Saturday and Sunday, looking at generally fair conditions with temperatures in the upper 40s, low to middle 50s. A little bit cooler than normal for this upcoming weekend. But the big story, of course, the rainy weather, the much-needed rainy weather for the Northeast today, and the possibility of some snow in the morning hours on Friday, and improving conditions as we head into the weekend. I'm meteorologist Steve Follettieri, and I am the Weatherman. Hope you have a great day today. Talk to you first thing on Friday. Take care.